Welcome back to this channel where we better understand supply chain management and operations. Today we're learning about available to promise inventory. It's a metric that companies will use to respond to customer demands with confidence by quantifying what can be promised for delivery at a given time, based on the current and future stock levels. So what is ATP? ATP calculates the uncommitted inventory balance in the supply chain and determines how much of that balance is available for future customer orders. This calculation helps manage customer expectations and aids in the planning and allocation of resources. It has three main components: on-hand inventory, which is the stock that is physically available to leave the warehouse. Scheduled receipts are the orders that have been placed but have not been received, and customer orders, which are existing customer demands that still need to be fulfilled. The basic formula to calculate ATP is on-hand inventory plus scheduled receipts minus customer orders. Or to put in real terms, ATP is the inventory on hand plus the incoming stock from suppliers minus the inventory that's about to leave for the customers. However, ATP calculations can become more complex with the addition of future production orders, lead times, and varying demand across time. ATP is closely linked with lead time, the time between the initiation and the completion of a production process. By understanding ATP in conjunction with lead times, companies can more accurately predict delivery dates for their customers. There are two different types of ATP. There's the discrete ATP, which is just the existing inventory and scheduled production for a specific date, and cumulative ATP, which is the ATP from a given date forward, taking into account all the expected future productions and inventory. It's important to note that ATP is not static. It changes every time new orders are received and put out, as well as every time stock is replenished or depleted. It requires continuous monitoring and updating within the company's ERP system.